Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So for today's video, I am so excited because we have a mystery box. Ofra Cosmetics just sent over their new Black Friday mystery box. I am so excited to dive in here. So you guys want to see what's in this mystery box. Is it actually worth it? Well, then definitely keep watching. You guys know I love a good mystery box. I think mystery boxes are always so much fun. Like I love opening them. I love getting them. Like they just are the best time ever because like you generally never know what you're gonna get. And then if I ever have like any duplicates or items that I don't want, I get to give it back to you guys. So I always find that so much fun. So Ofra Cosmetics was so kind enough to give me their brand new mystery box. And this is going to retail for $35. It has a $176 value. And you guys can use code Allie, which will save you guys 20% off the mystery box right here. Now, this is going to be launching on November 24th. So make sure you guys go get your hands on it because once it's gone, it's gone. So I'm going to go ahead and not ramble on because I'm so excited to see what we got in here. The fact that this is $35, but you get a $176 value, like that is insane. So let's go ahead and dive on in. I'm so excited. Okay. So it says, thank you for shopping with Ofra. Well, thank you. Excuse me, I'm trying to film. I'm so excited. Okay, so I am going to try not to look, even though like it's all kind of presented in front of me. So I'm kind of like, we're going to stare deeply into each other's eyes. And we're just going to do this together. So the first thing I see is an Ofra brush right here. This is the Professional Makeup number 21 brush. And I think this is going to be like an eye blender brush right here. You could take this and go right into the little nook and cranny of the eye and help to blend it out, especially since it does have a tapered end right here. Honest to God, I haven't really used a lot of Ofra brushes until I went to Ofra Cosmetics down in Miami. We went on Instagram Live. Total nerve wrecker, by the way. I was shitting my pants the whole time and I didn't really get a chance to play with Ofra brushes or sponges at the time. And I did in that live and I was like, holy shit, like Ofra, you guys got some really nice brushes that are super soft and very easy to blend out eyeshadow. Same with the sponge, though my sponge, she's seen some better days. But this is probably the softest sponge I think I've ever used. Ooh, someone's at the door. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm back. It was just UPS dropping off a PR package. And guys, I swear to God, I have no luck with delivery services. Whenever I am ordering something to get a review up for you guys ASAP, UPS and my USPS is like, you know what? Let's come at 5, 6 o'clock at night. Let's just really fuck with her day. But when I don't order anything, oh, let's come at 10 a.m. Woohoo, party! I'm like, damn it, it's every single time. Okay, so yeah, I ended up really enjoying the brushes and the sponge. They have some really good makeup brushes, which really took me by surprise. Not that I shouldn't be shocked, but I just generally wasn't, sure how their brushes and sponges were until I tried it, and they were fantastic. Okay. Oh, I'm looking. Okay, so next we have, I'm looking again, sorry. We have the Ofra Cosmetics. This is a makeup fixer, and this is going to be a slay all day with our setting mist that creates an invisible sheer over the skin to help protect makeup against rain, snow, and shine. Now, I have actually used this quite a bit because when I went down to Ofra, I got a chance to use these products, and they're actually really good. I used the mattifying one because I do have a mattifying one. This is just more of an actual like makeup fixer. All of Ofra Cosmetics skincare products and makeup products are actually infused with ingredients that are very beneficial to the skin. So these are actually really good. I really enjoyed this and I'm excited because I already have one of these, so I might be passing along to you guys. Alrighty, next we have the B serum. Okay, so this is the B5 serum. Whether it's 100 degrees or 30, give dry skin the moisture it deserves with this intense hydrating serum. Made with B5 and hyaluronic acid, skin will be doused in dewiness for healthy and youthful glow. So obviously, this one is not for me. It's not for me. I have very, very oily skin. And if I put on anything that's for very, very dry skin, it won't be a good match. So this is something I definitely would not get a use out of. So definitely passing this along to you guys, but I have used their one for oily skin and it's actually a really good product. So that's exciting. Okay. And next we have, ooh, it's a lip set. So this is the Nudes Volume 2 lip set, and it's going to have the shade Aspen, Sedona, and Portland. Aspen is a cool mauve pink, Sedona is a warm nude, and Portland is a cool mocha brown. So these are gonna be the shades right here. I really do love Ofra Cosmetics liquid lips. They're surprisingly very comfortable. They're like not drying, so they don't make your lips feel like a Sahara Desert hole, but they're also pretty long lasting. So these are, oh wow, these are pretty. Oh shit, sorry. I don't know why I just apologized. Okay, so these are the shades right here. Super pretty, very, very, very neutral shades. Now, the reason why I'm not, shit, sorry. The reason why I'm not gonna swatch them is because if I have these, which I think I might, because I have a lot of Ofra products, I don't want to have a duplicate of something. So I'm gonna check my collection. If I have this, I'm gonna pass this along to you guys. If not, I'm definitely gonna be a little hoarder and keep it for myself because I really do love their lip products, especially their red lips. The red lips are so freaking nice. Oh, and their glosses. My favorite gloss of all time is the truffle lip gloss. So good. Okay, and last but not least, we have, ooh, we have this highlighter. This is the X's and Glows highlighter. I don't have this highlighter. Yeah, no, I don't have this highlighter. I just have to think for a second. So this is the X's and Glows. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the All the Lights highlighter, although this seems to be just a little bit of a deeper version. You are going to have like the lighter shades right here, the deeper shades right here. I'm going to swatch these because I generally don't have this highlight. That is so pretty. Okay, so let's swatch. Ooh. Okay, so here are the swatches. It's kind of hard to tell with my beauty lights. Very, very gorgeous. I absolutely do love Ofra Cosmetics highlighters. They're so damn good. They're a liquid to bake highlighter. They are absolutely worth every single price point. They're so long lasting. And you guys know I love Ofra Cosmetics. You guys know that I really do love their highlighters. I think they're absolutely known for their highlighters. I actually got to not make one, but like I put in my bundle the All the Lights highlighter because I really do love this. And this is very reminiscent of that highlighted All the Lights. Although I feel like this one's might be just a little bit of a deeper version. So I feel like this will look really beautiful on deep skin tones. But even though it might not be exactly my skin tone type, these can definitely be used as beautiful eyeshadow toppers. So that is everything that we got in, the box. We got a lipstick set right here. We got a skincare premium, we got a serum right here, we got a makeup fixer, we got a highlight palette, and then we got a brush right here. I would have to say spending $35 on this, well, honestly, spending $35, but with my code for 20% off, I think this is absolutely worth it because a highlighter alone for Ofra typically retails from like $35 to like $39. Essentially, you're paying for the highlighter and getting the rest of the items for free. Like, to me, that's absolutely worth it. I really do love Ofra Cosmetics. They are the sweetest company. They've taken such good care of me. They take such good care of, you know, Paige, and they have been nothing but kind. And I really do love supporting this brand because they've been so supportive of me, and they're so, so sweet. And their products really are amazing, and I'm just so excited to show you guys this off. Now, like I said, I will be putting these two in the giveaway, and I'm gonna check about this one. I don't think I have these items. If I don't, I'm gonna be keeping it for myself because I really do love their products. But yeah, Ofra Cosmetics, thank you guys so much for sending this my way. Like I said, this retails for $35. You guys can use code Allie, which will save you guys 20% off. This does launch on Thursday, November 24th, and I will make sure I link it down below for you guys. But once these are gone, but these are so fun. I love mystery boxes. I think the best time. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to all these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.